So I'm at my mom's house and I feel like making something. Not really for sure what, but I have an idea. And it takes some wire and some tools. So I think I'm going to need these. I might need those. Go ahead and get those out. I'm going to need a ruler. Maybe those. For sure, since I'm working with wire, I need wire cutters. Gotta have a hammer. Oh, definitely these. I'm gonna need these for sure. And let's see, where to go? There it is. This thing. I brought this. I've had it for a long time and I don't ever use it. By the way, excuse the lighting. I know there's a lot of shadows and stuff. I'm actually not at my house, so I just make do with what I have. Anyway, so I got my tools. Now, to dig around in here for some wire. All right. I want some 18 gauge wire. All right. That's not very good. This was my first attempt. I'm going to hammer it and see what happens. So I hammered it. I'm still not exactly happy with it. So I think what I'm going to do is use some seed beads and put some beads around there somehow. I'm going to use a 24 gauge wire. I love these beads. Aren't they pretty, all the various colors? Probably wondering how I did this. This was a work in progress. I took the wire and wrapped it around. Then I started adding beads. I kept wrapping around, and this is what I came up with. I actually like it. I brought some lavender faceted glass beads, and I also brought some lavender wax cording. And then I'm just using this hook to crochet the beads on there. And it's going to be either like a car dangle, or you could use it as a sun catcher. It catches the light really nicely, so that's probably what I'll use it for. Have you ever started making something that you didn't even know what it was going to turn out to be? I kind of like doing that. It's fun sometimes. Thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.